Good morning, all of you. Today we will see the next point, that is optical isomerism. Now, first of all, we are going to see the definition of optical isomers. Optical isomers, when we have taken as a two compounds, two coordination compounds having same molecular formula but different arrangement of the ligands in a space around the central metal atom or ion in such way that one is mirror image with the others and cannot be superimposed to each other. Such compounds are called as the optical isomers or enantiomers or enantiomorphs. Enantio means that is here opposite, and morphs means that is forms. That is, two forms are opposite to each others. They are mirror images to each others. Such compounds are called as the optical isomers, and phenomenon is called as optical isomerisms. Now, generally here the compounds which can be possesses optical isomers, they can be possesses some conditions. Which are the conditions? These two compounds must be, that is, asymmetric. Compounds are must be, that is, asymmetric. They doesn't possesses there is axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, center of symmetry must be absent in case of such coordination compounds, and hence they will be comes in the you can say optical isomers. They can be shown as the optical isomers. Optical isomers, they can be possesses, that is, you can say asymmetric means doesn't possesses plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, center of symmetry must be absent in such compounds. Therefore, generally these optical isomers, they will be taken. Now, once we have taken as optical isomers, they will be taken as concerned to two forms. One will be dextro-rotatory, second will be levo-rotatory. When we have taken as optical isomers, when the rotation plane polarized light can be taken as in the left hand side, rotation will be left hand side, then these are called as the levo-rotatory, and levo-rotatory, they can be represented as, you can say, L forms. L forms means left hand side, this will be taken as negative signs. Levo-rotatory, left hand side, negative signs they will be indicated. Again, when we have taken as plane of polarized light can be rotated in right hand side, then these are called as the dextro-rotatory. B forms, it will be indicated by plus signs, and therefore generally two types of the optical isomers, D form, L form, D form, and totally they can be taken in case of Latin words, and generally these Latin words, they can be taken here. Again, when we have taken as the optical isomers, they are always, that is, optically active compounds, and when we have taken as a 50% L forms, 50% D forms, that time this mixture is called as the racemic mixture, and this racemic mixture is optically inactive because we have taken positive and negative forms, and therefore totally here, that is, they becomes optically inactive. But optical isomers, they are always, that is, active forms because they doesn't possesses plane of symmetry, axis of symmetry, plane of symmetry, center of symmetry, and therefore totally what happens here, such compounds will be taken. Now, in case of coordination number 4 and coordination number 6, optical isomers are present. We are going to see some examples in case of coordination number 4. Two geometries, one is tetrahedral, second will be square planar. First of all, we are going to take the examples in case of the Cn equal to 4, which is called as the tetrahedral. That is, here in case of tetrahedral, when we have taken arsenic, sulfur, C2H5, CH3, again C6H5, COO minus. Now here, this will be one compound. It is a mirror image as concerned to the second compound. This is the mirror image of this compound. It can be looks like as concerned to here C2H5, it can be observed. Here, this will be opposite to here. And means here, that is, when we have taken as a optical isomers, one is mirror image to other. This first compound, it will be the mirror image of the this the mirror image of the first compound is second compound. Now this can be obtained. It is called as the arsenic CH3 C2H5 C6H5 COO minus. When we have taken as arsenic 3 plus, this will be used as the one negative charge goes 2 plus charge will be obtained. This will be called as the first example. This is the second example, which is called as the bis benzoyl acetonato beryllium second ion. This will be the structure. This is the beryllium central. The mirror image of this compound will be taken here, and both will be the example of Cn equal to 4 tetrahedral. Now another, when we have taken as a square planar complexes Cn equal to 4, that time this will be one of the example as concerned, that is when we have taken this will be one compound, again this will be the mirror image as concerned to other compound can be obtained. Now generally this will be the compound which can be used as the mirror image as concerned to this is the mirror image. All this compound here H would becomes, again you can say here carbon, again C6H5. Now in this way the mirror image of this compound can be taken another size, and therefore that is this compound will be one of the most important example, which can be first of all derived by scientist Mills and Quimble in 1935, and the name is that isobutylene diamine, mesocetylene diamine, platinum second ion. Now these are the examples as concerned to square planar complexes. Now generally square planar complexes, they can be used well, that is you can say optical isomers in case of that is coordination compounds, and therefore highly here tetrahedral square planar complexes, they can be used the representation of the optical isomers, and the phenomenon is called as optical isomerism. That is optical isomers can be defined as there are two compounds which having same chemical formula but different arrangement of the ligands in a space around the central metal atoms or ions in such a way that one is mirror image of the others and cannot be superimposed to each other. Means superimposed means when we have taken as exactly, they will be not taken as concerned to the other compounds, and therefore such compounds are called as the optical isomers. Phenomenon is called as optical isomerism. Such examples we are going to see in case of that is also Cn equal to 6. That is, it will be again used as the optical isomers.